is Maury Carr. Maybe you heard of me? I used to teach Drama 1 at the High School of Performing Arts. So it was the first day of class, and I was so excited. I had everyone in the auditorium, and I told them to come up on stage to do this simple improvisation about being on a bobsled in the snow. Well, they're all doing great, except this one little girl, Morales, was just sitting there. Every day, for a week, all the students got the message, felt the motion, every bump. Every kid was alert and involved, except Morales. She just sat there like a lump. I said, do something, please just do something. If you would try it, you'd really do it well. You're probably nervous. Do you speak English? You've got lots of real potential, I can tell. So I made it even easier. I said, just pretend to be something. A table, anything. It's really very easy. But she couldn't even do that. So I gave her all this individual attention. I told her to try it alone. She just stood there. Second week, we went on and the kids showed such improvement, did their homework, really cared. Everyone did as well as they could, which is what's important. Not Morales. She just stared. I said, say something. Oh God, say something. This class can't help you. You might be wasting time. Go see Miss Roney. They're making puppets. Or even better, Mrs. Schiff. She teaches mine. But she wouldn't leave. So I asked her, what's the problem? She said, I just don't feel it. I said, oh, come on. These are only exercises. I'm not saying you are on a bobsled. Just imagine you're on a bobsled. She said, they don't have bobsleds in San Juan. I said, hey, don't give me this ethnic guilt trip crap. I mean, Gonzalez was a great bobsled, and Ramirez is the best table I've seen in 25 years. Jesus Christ. I'm so depressed. Got a shrink, and I begged him, doctor, help me. Could you maybe please explain? There's this girl in my course, and she gives me palpitations, indigestion, such a pain. He said, do something. You must do something. You should retire before you pay the price. He told me, Murray, this girl is Saurus, and she will kill you if you don't take my advice. But did I listen? No. By the time she quit the course, it was too late. The damage had been done. 6 months later, I got real sick and died. Morales stood above my grave and cried. Two-faced little bitch. So I was talking to Busby Berkeley the other day, and he tells me, after losing out on every audition, Morales meets Michael Bennett and tells him the whole story. He puts it in a show, and everybody finds out what a terrible guy I was. Wouldn't you know it? She gets hot. The fans make her to sign. She gets a seat on opening night of 9. She gets to play the Y with Julie Stein. She gets to go on dates with Calvin and Kevin and Robert and Stuart Klein. Worst of all, she gets a monthly check from Chorus Line.